Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you transfer image iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and provide a very easy way. No need to use any cable. So just open your Safari browser, go to search option, search it to airdrop.net and open your Google. Same, just open it. You need to just wait few seconds, then automatically connect your device. This iPhone connect to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 connect to iPhone. So I'm just transfer iPhone to Samsung. If you want to transfer Samsung to iPhone, in the same process, tap on choose file and select folder, and you just select any photo or video. Okay, press on open. Okay, and click on to accept. Press on download, and now we open it. Now successfully transfer this image. So that's it.